I'm Steve Oliver, President, Geddis Paving and Excavating. We've been engaged in the site development paving business for well over 70 years. Family business located in Toledo, Ohio, and geographically we do work all over Northwest Ohio, and occasionally we'll roam a little further than that. We do primarily road construction, site work, underground utilities. We do recycling, crushing. We provide mobile crushing services. Also aggregate limestone production in St. Mary's, Ohio.
My name is Randy Solly with Geddis Paving, Cornerstone Crushing. Today we're in St. Mary's, Ohio doing some contract crushing for general contractors, ready-mix plants. We supply ODOT material to numerous construction projects around the area.
We've been involved with Komatsu and Columbus equipment actually for as long as I can remember. I actually got started with purchasing a lot of this heavy construction equipment with Lube, I would say around 10 years ago, and we're pretty impressed with it.
What we use here for a loader machine is a WA 500 Komatsu. We've been using this loader for about 3 years now. About 5,200 hours put on it. It's been very dependable. When we purchased it with a custom-built rock bucket designed by Workbrow. Works out very good. It's been holding up very well.
They've come a long way since my impression of Komatsu back 25 years ago. It seems to be a lot heavier, a lot more reliable. Just the life, the overall operational life of the equipment, the hours we put on it, the maintenance cost, in our opinion, it's pretty good stuff. We see the future of our industry being more machine control, and that's why we're invested in it, and we'll continue to invest in it. And certainly saves us a lot of money on cost. I think from a construction standpoint, we're building more accurate sites now, not so much laborers pulling strings and the old school way. It's kind of nice.
What we use it for is limitless. You can literally lose all your laborers because the operators will build this job for you. We're moving 12,000 yards of dirt, and I'm moving about 3,000 yards a day right now with the operators we have with no laborers on the ground. And using this to our advantage is huge. Before we had this GPS equipment, it cost us a lot more time, a lot more money. We had a lot more manpower on the jobs, but this saves us probably about half of our manpower on a job. It really helps out when we have younger operators that are unexperienced when we're digging ponds and digging slopes. It guides them and trains them how to dig better because it eliminates overdig, so it helps out and it trains very well.
I've looked at project costs with machine control versus non-machine control projects, and there's definitely a significant savings. The efficiencies, you don't really have to have long discussions with operators. You don't walk around explaining grade stakes because everything's right there on the screen for them to see. Machine control's had a huge impact on our business. I think it's made us go after projects that we normally may not have looked at in the past because of the insight that it provides us and what it gives the operators. Columbus Equipment's done a really good job for us at a service capacity. And
my sales rep from Columbus Equipment does a real good job getting me what I need when I need it. If I struggle to find something for some reason or another, he usually comes through for us and gets what we need where we need it. Customer service and product support, especially on the product support, we've been having real good luck getting things fixed in a timely fashion. We're real happy with that.
As an employee of Geddis Paving for 18 years, since day one I've had a relationship with Columbus Equipment, and they've been wonderful.
When we have issues on the projects, they're pretty responsive. Yeah, I think they understand that when we're down, it costs money, and they do everything they can to get us back up and running in due time. I honestly don't ever remember waiting on them to respond. We have a good relationship with Columbus Equipment. We always have.